Okay, welcome back to our video. This is Card Structure Technology. My name is Ago Sunday. Okay, in this video, we are going to watch the techniques required for us to achieve this design that you are seeing on your screen now. Okay, what you need is just your few technical drawing skill and then your plastering skill. Okay, with just cement and sand. Okay, we can actually achieve this great design, these great finishes you are seeing. Okay, thank you for watching, and please, if you have not subscribed to our channel, please do that so that you receive notifications anytime we draw more of these videos. Okay, thank you, and let's have fun together. As you can see, we have done most of the plastering. We are at a finishing stage, like smoothing the surface, because the first thing you do in any of those designs, you need to smooth the surface. And as I always said, make sure that your mixture is as smooth as possible, and then you allow it to set for some minutes, so that when you are doing the design on it, the mortar will not just fall. So depend on how solid your mixture is from the beginning to determine the time you wait for it to set. Okay, and then you also have a smooth surface at the end. Okay, so you see it's, the surface is being well smooth now. So you just need few technical drawing skills. Okay, you bisect this rectangle, okay, into four bisection. Okay, you cut it into five, because we cut that is, we have your bisection 4 measurement, and then the carton will be divided into 5, right? And then the other side will be divided into 3. So you're seeing now. Okay, so you see the shape we have now. Okay, so you achieve this shape. Okay, so make sure you plumbed it. Okay, make sure you plumb the first one. Okay, after you plumb the first one now, you don't need to use plumb in the rest again. You take alignment from the existing shape you have. Okay, then make sure you use a rounded shape object. Okay, use a rounded shape object so that we can be able to get that designs we need. Okay, you can see it now. Okay. So I advise you follow every bit of the step one by one. You can actually achieve it. If you have any difficulties in getting this shape, or bisecting, or doing the technical drawing, you can actually contact us in any of our social media page at Card Structure Technology. Okay. Then you want a personal guide on this, or you want to build this and you cannot be able to do it, you can also contact us. Okay, we can send our team to actually handle this for you, depending on your location. Okay. Okay, so I think you are seeing the shape is coming out. So you are seeing, so you join that 2H there, and at the end you now remove the excess. Okay, so that you now bring out that required shape that we want to get at the end. So you can see that it's amazing, right? Make sure you hold the carton firm to the wall to avoid mistake, to avoid shaking. Okay. So as you can see, the shape is coming out now. Okay, so we'll talk about removing the excess, okay, so that we can get the required shape. So you see, remove that center there. Okay, now if your surface or the plaster is not at least dried to some certain level, it will not be possible for us to achieve this. Okay, so that is why we emphasize that, okay, make sure that your plaster or the mixtures, okay, at least let it set for some time before you can be able to do this design. Okay, so you can see, right? And then another thing is, if the place you are working is not clean, you discover that you waste all these mortars when you are moving the excess. So try as much as you could to actually make sure that your surface is clean. Okay, the ground where you are doing your plastering, let it be clean so that you can be able to reuse the mortar that you are removing. Okay, because you discover that a lot of mortar has been removed. Okay, for us to actually achieve our aim, for us to achieve our shape, right, required shape one. So if you don't clean the place and then the mortar fall down in a dirty place, you cannot be able to reuse it. So try as much as you could to clean. Site cleanliness is actually very good. That is one of the requirements. Okay, as a good construction practitioner, so make sure that your site is clean. Okay, and it also help in safety measures. Okay, it also help in safety measures. Okay. You see, you are going close to the wall now, the end of the wall. Okay, you see the finishes, you definitely like it to be amazing. Like, so you see now, this is wall finishes. This is cleaning. Okay, so you see, you can clean it with your phone or whatever you use for your cleaning. You possibly use your brush to actually remove some other particles. Okay, so you are seeing the finishes, right? Okay, it's amazing, right? Do you like this design? Why can't you try it in your next project? Okay, right, so this is the finished product. As you can see, you achieved this great design with just a mixture of sand and cement. Okay, thank you very much for watching, and please subscribe to our channel so that you receive notification. Also, thanks Construction Tech team for making this video a success. Okay, thank you very much and have a nice day.